Sometimes you don't want to have to pay restaurant prices just to have some decent food. You also don't have time to be making gourmet meals from scratch either. So today I'm going to show you how you can make your own delicious street food style hot dogs at home for a fraction of the price, and it should take you less than 30 minutes. The two most important factors are going to be your choice of dog and your choice of bun, because you've got to have a good foundation for all of your toppings. So go out and get your favorite hot dog or sausage, try something you've never had before, get the fanciest sausage that you can find. Once you've got your hot dog or sausage or veggie sausage, the choice of bun is not something you want to overlook either. After all, a hot dog is more bun than dog, and if you're going to be eating bread anyway, you might as well get something you really enjoy. Lately, I've been using these pretzel buns. I like putting them in a small baking pan with high walls and some water and a ramekin to keep them from drying out. I haven't preheated the oven. Just turn it on when you put the buns in. Grab an onion, peel, and slice. Now for the pepper. This is how I get rid of the seed pod without losing any of the pepper. Slice this as well. Heat some oil in a pan and we can start softening and caramelizing the onions and peppers. You can also use a lid to control the moisture and to cook more evenly at the early stages. While that's heating up, we'll cut some toppings. I'm going to be using some Taiwanese pickles, but you can use what you prefer. Chop the pickles into small pieces. Next, we have scallions. I like splitting them down the middle before chopping in order to get these smaller pieces with more exposed edges for better flavor. Keep checking on the onions and peppers and toss them around as needed. Once they're caramelized to your liking, you can remove from the heat and set aside. Now we're going to put some water in a pan and start cooking the sausages. I've gone with a beer bratwurst this time, but you can choose any hot dog or sausage or veggie sausage. Again, use the lid to help cook them more evenly and add oil and flip the sausages as needed. Once the sausages are done, you can remove them from the pan and set them aside. At this point, the buns should be ready. You'll need to adjust your timing based on what kind of buns you're using. Cut lengthwise to open them up. I'm going to slather some of this really nice truffle butter on the inside. And I'm going to spread some whole grain Dijon mustard for a little bit of kick. Now for the onions and peppers. Line the inside of the bun with onions and peppers. Put your dog on top and some more onions and peppers for good measure. And now for the rest of the toppings. I've got the pickle bits. I have some Chinese shredded pork. Some mayonnaise, ketchup, some Furikake, our scallions, some red chili flakes, and some Bonito Flakes just to be extra. And of course some sea salt, some ground black pepper, and it's ready to go.
Okay. This is really good.
It's like a flavor explosion, you know?
Yeah. You gotta sell that.
So good.
Wow. It is an explosion of flavor that comes in layers and stages. You've got that initial smoky sweetness from the pretzel bun. You've got that juicy boldness on the low end from the sausage with the mustard and the truffle butter giving you those nasal high notes. Then you've got the sauces and the toppings filling in those gaps in between. And you've got the raw scallions giving you that refreshing kick with just a little bit of heat from the chili flakes. This should give you some inspiration for making your own hot dog or sausage or glizzy gobbling experience. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends, connect with me on the socials, stay safe, and I'll see you next time.